What should I do at my job to ensure that I progress very quickly? There are a few things that are very, very important, and I've written about this like even before. Never deny work coming your way. In fact, you buy work wherever is possible. Okay. Now, many people will say, I'll get overworked, like I will not be able to sleep, I'll not be able to eat. Lots of different things people will say. But this is the first principle. Never, never deny work coming your way. Someone is say, who wants to do this? You will be the first to say, I want to do it. Okay. But instead, you should ask how to prioritize. Okay. The management is not mad. They are not crazy. Okay. They are not going to give you work which is physically impossible for you to do. Okay. So you will say, I will do the work. But look, I have these one, two things. Okay. So tell me how I will prioritize between these one, two, three. Okay. And I will do the work accordingly. So you never deny work, but you should ask how should you prioritize? Which one should you prioritize? You can't hit all of the things at the same time. Okay, so you will say, I'm going to take it, I will take it, I will do it. But tell me how to prioritize this, and I will work accordingly. Okay, so managements are sensible. They will know how to work, or they will give you work according to the plan. But if you are constantly seen as buying work, your work sphere will be broader. Then they will say, after that, they will say, look, you've been taking in a lot of work. Here's a junior to assist you. This is how it will develop. But if you say that, how can I do this? I am overworked, I am not able to do, then you will not go from one level to another. Okay. When you take on the work and you say, how should I prioritize? They will give you resources. They'll say, okay, take this person to help you. Okay, take this many hours that this person will work with you. They will allocate resources. They are sensible. They're not mad. Like, they're not going to give you things which are physically impossible for you to do. But if you buy work and you ask how you should prioritize that, then that's something that's going to work. So think of possible solutions when you approach your seniors. Now, this is another thing. Like, you realize you have screwed up, you have made a mistake. Okay. So most people, what will they do? They will try to hide it. Don't try to hide it. Okay. Go right away to your senior and say that I've made a mistake, but now I am thinking that this is how it can be cured. Okay. I have researched and found out how it can be cured, and this is how I think that. Okay. Or even if there are problems anywhere that you face, think of what is a possible solution and you go with that to your senior. Okay. And you propose. It may not be valid solutions, but they will realize that you are trying to think of it. You're trying to think of a solution, okay, to an existing issue, which is stepping beyond and moving forward from that problem. You're not being stuck at that problem, you're moving forward and you're thinking of how do we solve this now. Okay, so move every time with possible solutions. Okay, these are the ways where you are going to really shine out and differentiate yourself in your job. Okay, you're doing these things, you will be very different. You will look very different right away from the other people. Senior associates may even shout because they don't have time to teach us. That is okay. Let them shout. Okay, but if you hide it, it will be even worse. Okay, because then it will blow into a bigger problem and more shouting and maybe even kicking out. While it's in a bad problem or an initial stage, make it known and go with a solution. That's much better. And then tell them that. Tell them exactly that. That I did not want to hide it and grow it into a bigger problem. That's why I've come to you. I understand I've made a mistake. I understand you may be agree, you may shout on me. But then I thought that if I don't do this, it will blow into a bigger problem. So I have come and I am thinking that this will be the solution. And see the impact at that time. Okay? It's not going to be crazy because you're thinking. Ask questions and clarify where you are not clear. Don't assume things. Very, very important. Like, people are very scared to ask questions because there are people who can shout, they can think you are dumb. It's okay. Okay. So they let you irritate again if you're a stubborn learner. Yeah. Like they will say that, okay, they ask questions and clarify. And tell them why you are doing that. Man. Like tell them that I did not want to assume. I did not want this to blow up. And that's the reason I've come to you. Okay. So you tell them flat to that I didn't want this to happen. That's why I came. Now I know I have mistake. I know you will be angry. Tell them right that I know you're going to be angry. But then I did not want it to blow up. Okay. Focus on completing the work. Find out where it ends for the organization. So your box may end at one place, but find out the whole chain from your place. Where does it go to? Then where does it go to? Then when does it lend to the client ultimately? You find the whole chain of work. That's where you get a very clear idea of where your work fits in into the organization. Okay, and so now, because this you will think very much forward. You will think that what is the next person going to look at now? Okay, and what is the third person going to look at? And you work from that angle. The other two people will say that I want to work with this guy, I don't want to work with other ones, because he's thinking about my work and he's thinking about the next person's work also. So find out where it ends for the organization. Small town, this is a big problem. Like, people believe that small town, I can't do anything. Guys, you are living, this is like, no, they can't have been a better time for small town people. Cannot be a better time. And I'll tell you why. Your cost of living remains the same, but your market now is India and abroad. That's because people are exposed to remote working. So just think of it, like, Ramanuj was describing that day. Someone sitting in Baroda earning 20 lakhs. That's like making 50 lakhs in Bombay, because the cost of living is like that. Okay, but naturally someone will prefer the guy who's giving the same work at a lesser cost. You can afford to do it at a lesser cost because your cost of living is much lower than the one sitting in Mumbai and Delhi. Their cost of living is much higher. Okay, start investing. This is a gem of an advice. Okay, you get your first 5,000, 10,000 rupees. If you're not a dead earner, invest this. Okay, make a big like research in something, in a company, and invest it. I don't know, you can lose it, doesn't matter. But because of that, what will happen is, now from the next day you will start tracking what is this company doing, what are the news about it, what is its price, okay, how is it moving, how did the price change because of this transaction. Suddenly you will start linking, because you are a stakeholder now. You weren't a stakeholder, you were looking from the side, but now you're a stakeholder. You're gonna use that. Okay, start investing.